Mother says almost all the videos she's watched have been fails, but she says, we're smarter than those people, we'll do it right. We won't damage your hair. Haha. I don't believe her. Hi, welcome to today's video. We are in a bathroom today, which is why the audio is slightly weird, and I'm sick, which is why I sound kind of like this. Today, I'm gonna be bleaching my hair and maybe re-dyeing it. I currently have like a greenish blue that's very faded, and I want maybe like a nice pink. So we're gonna go for that. But first we have to bleach my hair, and that's a very long process. And I have to brush my hair and comb it, and that's a whole lot for the type of hair I have. So let's just jump into it. The first thing that I think I have to use is a hair color remover. This is called Opps hair color remover. And this is just to take away the blue, I believe. I think that's all it does. I hope this takes away the bluish green, and then we'll just have like a base color that we can bleach and then dye. Today, just went and bought a whole bunch of stuff to do my hair, so I'm gonna do a haul of that. We got this all from Sally Beauty Supply, and I didn't know what any of this was, so we had to have a lady help us, and she was very nice. Gloves, because that's something you always need. Color shampoo, because I don't think my current shampoo, which I'm running out of, I don't think that's good for color, but I'm not sure. Those hair caps that you use for keeping the bleach in, I don't know. And then we have 3 packets of this clay-based tonal powder lightener. She said this is the best color for my current hair color. This is for after it. We have a protein treatment and a moisturizer. This way my hair isn't completely ruined after this. And this is a tinting brush, which you paint my hair with this, basically. Also, did I mention I'm sick? I'm pretty sure I did. I'm sick, and I didn't want to put on makeup. So I feel like that's obvious, but you know. All right, then we have 30 volume cream developer. Mother wanted us to get 40, but the lady gave us 30, so I'm assuming that was just her knowing better. Mother watched a whole ton of YouTube videos on this, so she's basically professional. So, also we didn't want to spend money to go get my hair done, because that's a lot of money. And then we have the rat tail comb, which does this look like it'll work on my hair? We have to brush my hair before we even try to comb it. One time I combed my hair, like the most recent time I combed my hair was whenever I didn't have a brush. And I swear I went bald that day. This is all 35 bucks, which is way cheaper than going somewhere and getting my hair done. So yay. But also we're not professionals, and I really hope my head isn't ruined after this. All right, so join us along this journey based on the title, which may or may not be clickbait, something like I ruined my hair or something like that. Whatever the title is, I'm sure you might know how it ends, but also it might just be named bleaching my hair. I'm gonna brush my hair first, right? Apparently it's best to start with your hair not clean. Apparently the reason why you shouldn't wash your hair before doing this is that the oils will protect your scalp. The oils of your hair. My greasy, staticky, gross, not washed hair. Ow. Alright everyone, here's what my hair looks like whenever it's brushed, and it's not ideal. Please stop telling me to brush my hair. Here's what it looks like before I do the whole Color Opps process. And the box says it takes only 20 minutes, but that's a darn lie, because it takes 20 minutes to apply it, but you have to take like an hour or like an hour and 30 minutes to actually do it. With the rinsing and the shampooing and everything, it's a lot, especially for the amount of hair I have. So, it won't be taking 20 minutes, and the lighting will change halfway through. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna do it.
So you gotta hold out a piece of
yeah, I know.
hair.
I know. Jesus, smells awful. Alright, so we have applied the Color Opps in all of its areas, and we hope it's even and that it'll work. And so I just have to sit here for 20 minutes like this. And then I have to go and take like an hour-long shower. And then I should probably rinse it longer for my hair. All right, I guess that means whenever I take a shower, I should have a series of alarms telling me what time I need to rinse my hair. So while we're waiting for this to be done, we're gonna talk about what we think my hair is gonna look like. Cause I think it's just gonna be an ugly, ugly faded green.
That's what I think. I think it's gonna look
super awful.
I think it's gonna be like a really ugly greenish blonde.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Yeah, it's just gonna be like a dull green. Basically, that's what I'm expecting. And this will probably just be this one video, and then in the next video, we're gonna bleach it and dye it, because after doing some Googling, I shouldn't bleach and dye it directly after shampooing and conditioning it. And this. So, this is probably a part 1. It's also getting dark, and bleaching with my hair takes hours. So, this is most definitely going to be a part 1. Alright, so it is time for me to go take a very long shower, and I have to do a whole bunch of shampooing and rinsing and conditioning, and then I will be back to show you the results in just a little bit. So let's see ya. Alrighty, so I am out of my shower, and I don't think it worked, like, at all. It didn't seem like it was, but it might have. So let's see, let's check it out. Nope. See, this is what my hair normally looks like. Maybe just a little bit duller, but I don't know where a hairdryer is, but I feel like that would speed up the process.
It looks exactly the same.
Yeah, maybe we just did it wrong. It looks a little bit duller. I live with my hair every day, so
no, that looks exactly the same.
It's duller in certain spots, but that's it. That didn't work, like, at all. So tune in next video where I bleach my hair and maybe redo that with a different product. I could dry my hair and show you what it looks like dry, but this is gonna look the same. It's not gonna be different from what it looked like before. Maybe just a little bit more gross looking. So tune into the next video where I am maybe less sick and where we're gonna bleach it and possibly dye it. See ya! Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these right channel videos, click the subscribe. My nose is so clogged. I feel like I sound awful. I'm gonna sneeze.
Man, that is disappointing.
It sure is.